and that joint burnt the hair right on out my wig. Your girl was in trouble. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kierashonllc. Today's video is brought to you by UNicehair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys, but y'all know the deal. Before we get into the specs of this unit and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so now that we got her off bundle Brenda, this is what that unit looks like. Like I said, this comes from UNicehair. It is a machine-made Brazilian Bodywave lace front unit. This unit is fully machine-made, so there are no combs in this unit. This is definitely a plop on and go, but make sure you have on your wig grip. If you don't know what a wig grip is, I have one linked down below. You will need one for this unit, okay? Because if your head is big like mine, 23 inches on a bad day, this joint may slip back because it does not come all the way down onto my side. So if I was to wear this joint without my wig grip and just use those adjustable straps that comes in the back of this unit, I would be in trouble, okay? So let's not do that. Let's not be embarrassed today, shall we? Okay, let's go ahead and pop this joint on my head. Is this backwards? What's going on? She a little stretched out, but we don't care. We're gonna rock her till we can't no more, okay? So she fits just fine for me. As you can see, I already put some wand curls on the bottom here because I didn't want to take too much time and do that on camera. I did go in and wash this unit and condition it because it does come with that chemical smell that you do not want to walk around smelling all day. So definitely go in and wash your unit. Like I said, it does not come all the way down. Like the ear tabs are back here for me, but because this unit has bangs, it can hide all that. So we good, okay? We good up in here. Now let's talk about the specs really quick. Now, like I said, this is a Brazilian Bodywave machine made unit. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $62.37. So very affordable, but obviously depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price will go up. Now you can get this unit in 12 to 24 inches and only 150% density. So one density for all the lengths. So I got mine because I wanted to be extra in the longest length possible, 24 inches, and my unit is $173.14. Don't worry, you don't got to get the same length that I got, okay? You can definitely get a little bit shorter. I probably should have got mine a little bit shorter just for the look that I wanted, but you know what? It's okay. Where's my bang? Oh, wait a minute. Let me put my glasses on so I can see because I really can't. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something that I did to my wig that, you know, lesson learned. I was trying to watch a movie and, you know, blow dry my hair at the same time after I did my little co-wash, and somehow, some way, I must have had the daggone blow dryer too close on my side, and that joint burnt the hair right on out my wig. Where is it? Where is it? Y'all see that? Those little burnt pieces? Thank goodness there are bangs on this unit to hide that joint because, ooh, your girl was in trouble. Just like any other machine made wig, or like if you was to do like a hand sewn wig, you do get that little, you know, circular hump thing in the middle, you know, when you roll the hair around your finger to make that little, you know, natural scalp thing, and then you press it down the front. That is right there. I wouldn't say it's problematic. I would just say, you know, maybe UNice take a little bit more time to do that so it's a little bit flatter. That's personal preference, but we don't do that no more. Okay, so I have my little wand curler here. Okay, little wand curls like that, and push her to the back. I do wish this was 180% density just because of the length. 24 inches is really long to only have 150% density, in my opinion. I don't know if it's gonna come out how I want, but we gonna try. The hair is layered a little bit, but the hair is still pretty long all the way around. God dang it, that didn't work out the way I wanted to. I'm gonna use Big Bertha here because I need some body up here on the top of my unit. Need some body on the top. Need somebody on the top. I'm going to take this little curl here. Where's my little clip? I'm going to clip that up there like that. I'm going to curl the bang to the back. See if we can get the look that we want. We're going to see. I think that's what we want. This unit is definitely a lot longer than I want in the front. So I'm going to use my razor right here. I'm going to cut a little bit of layers here in the front. What, baby? Okay, I'm gonna use my big curling iron right here. I'm gonna curl this joint right to the back. Ow, ow! Dang, Bertha. Now I could have wore this unit out like straight, like with the blunt bang and, you know, like a long sleek cut, but I didn't want that. But I wanted some, you know, curls in my unit, so that's why I'm curling her up. I'm hoping the look that I'm trying to do is gonna come out right, because if it don't, ugh, god dang. But you know, we gonna see. Cutting the layers into the unit is definitely making the unit a lot more, you know, fuller looking. So, you know, I'm here for that. I definitely want more body up in here. So let me Let's see, if we comb it, if we do it to the back, like that. But this one needs to go this way. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun vacuuming up this hair. Goodness gracious. Okay, so here we go, I think, with the finished look. This is definitely different for me. It was definitely a challenge, okay? But I think it came out, okay. I think my picture's gonna be hitting. I'm okay with this, okay? I'm okay with it. Again, if you don't want to curl your unit, you don't have to. You can definitely wear this unit more sleek. Me personally would probably buy this unit in like a 20-inch. Because I cut so much hair out this unit, the 20 or 22-inch will probably be, you know, better fit for me. You know, it's a simple body wave unit, nothing crazy. I will also say that the wand curl for me was like a waste of time. Based on the curl that I wanted for this unit, it wasn't giving me the look that I wanted. So that's why I went in with my barrel curling iron to give it more, you know, volume or whatever. The only con that I have for this unit is this little piece up here. If we could get this to be flatter or just another type of, you know, closure on top of there, that'll be great. But other than that, it's a basic unit, nothing crazy. I didn't have any shedding or tangling with this unit. Like I said, 24 inches, this joint falls down past my chest, so nothing crazy. And the unit to the back is pretty simple. The density is pretty good. I don't feel any gaps in the unit, so you know that's good. So that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to UNice Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put my specs as well as a direct link down below so you guys can check this unit out. Any coupon codes I have will be linked down below as well, so make sure you use that so you can save some coin. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.